Let's cook Chinese beef and broccoli. The great thing about this recipe is that it is so bloody easy to make. All we need is 1 onion and roughly chopped, 3 garlic, cloves, and just give them a quick smash. And then some ginger, give it a bash with the knife, and then just some broccoli, obviously, because it meant to have bloody broccoli in it, ain't it? And then, yeah, some spring onions. Now, you will notice I did make a bit of a cock up on the recipe with the spring onions, so do not put the spring onions in at the beginning because they end up turning out shite. So put the spring onions in with the broccoli so that you've still got that nice little bit of crunch to them, and same with the broccoli as well, so literally about 5 minutes at the end. And then we put the green part of the spring onion in after we've finished cooking so that we get some nice colour and we get some nice crunch as well. So all you have to do is saute your onions off, sear off your beef before that. And it's important to sear your beef off properly so it adds more flavour. If you want to do this in a slow cooker, not a problem. You could just bang it all in a slow cooker, but I would advise to sear your meat off first and saute your onions. That will add a lot more bloody flavour. But this great thing is that when you come home from work, this baby is going to be ready, especially if you do it in a slow cooker, 6 to 8 hours in the oven. An hour and a half to 2 hours, depending on how big you cut that beef and how much you have in your oven-proof dish. If you double the recipe, obviously it's probably going to take a little bit longer. And then just season as you go and enjoy with some rice.